Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Jill. I'm an owner and artist at Click to Restore, and I am excited to be here on Redesign with Prima page with yet new episode, new video of this dresser that I'll be working on today. It is in a bad shape. It has a lot of dents and scratches, so I need to prep it and sand it before I begin to paint it. So I will be removing this hardware because it's very outdated and we are not going to use it. I probably would use something which is more trending and new. So after removing the hardware, I'm going to be sanding it, and for this I'm using a 120 grit because you can see a lot of scratches here and I want to get rid of it before I paint it. So scuff sanding with 120 grit, which is a coarse sanding paper. So my sanding is done. I'm going to wipe it down with the wipe. They are wet wipes. They are alcohol free, any chemical free, and they are gentle on furniture. So I'm going to wipe this whole down and then we will begin to paint. And for that I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint Ash, you can see, and Wellington. So Wellington is going to be my base coat. So this is the base coat that I am going to do. So one coat of Wellington, and once it's dry I am doing Ash, which is my second coat. Ta-da! Yay, it's ready. It's dried, it's cured, and it is ready to be designed. Are you ready? Let's go. So this is the newest transfer the Redesign with Prima came out with. You can see the beautiful, almost like hand painted florals, and I love that it looks very much like hand painted. So we are going to be using this on our dresser today. So I will start from the base, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out. I'm measuring the drawer so that sit right in the center of each drawer, and I will go my way upwards and apply this transfer. So we are almost done here with the applying of the transfer. You can see I am using the polishing pad to burnish the transfer into the paint and remove any halos or any air pockets that may have trapped inside the big florals, the roses. So it's a must-have tool after you apply your transfer. So this is a decor poly that I am going to be putting on the top drawer. You can see they can be twisted. They are made out of silicone and they are intricately designed. They can be applied on a curved surface or a flat one. So I'm going to paint it in ash color, that is the color of the dresser, and then attach it to the drawer using the Gorilla Wood glue. So I'm going to apply on the back of this poly with a coat of the glue and attach it to the drawer. So the poly is completely dried, and that's when I apply the glue on the back of this and attach it and let it sit for a few hours. So now I'm going to highlight this poly with this Eternal wax. It's a gold wax from Redesign. It's oil-based, beautiful wax, and this is to highlight the beautiful details of this poly. There are some lines, the details on the sides of the dresser, which I really wanted to highlight, and for this I'm using the gilding marker. It's a gold gilding marker from Redesign to highlight the details in gold that blends in with the Eternal wax on the top and the one that we use on the poly, and you can see how beautifully it is turning out. I love the effect of it. You can see the pop of gold on this dresser, and I absolutely love the sides. This is the center that I use the Eternal wax on. I attached new hardware which is in black, so that the highlight is the transfer and the gold details. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.